Hello, we have a block party this evening and not going to have a lot of time after work to be able to get my brownies done. So we're going to work on the brownies today. So join me, shall you? Okay, so we have some eggs in here. Looks about right. Okay, we're gonna call that good. And keep beating it till it starts to change color, and it's very, you can see now that it's just a little bit lighter. Yep, we're good. Slightly lighter yellow, so this is what we're going for. The bubbles on top looking good. Okay, we're gonna try to blend this all in without bumping the camera, which is a skill set I seem to have. Bumping the camera part. Okay. Now we're gonna add the oil and the melted butter. Okay, looks good. "33 minutes, time to come out, baby." Okay, for this kind of brownie, this is exactly what you want. The edges are starting to darken, which means this is good. All right, we're gonna let it cool off. It'll be nice and fudgy later today. Thank you for watching. Remember, Jesus loves you. Like, share, and subscribe.